Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by authorizing Tidal inside Serato so tracks stream reliably. Open Serato DJ Pro and go straight to the Libraries panel. Choose Tidal and sign in with your account credentials. Once connected, allow Serato to index your Tidal playlists and grant any required permissions. Make sure your audio device and internet are active because Serato will verify playback capability. If you plan to play without internet, enable offline caching for specific playlists and follow the prompts to download tracks. Once Tidal is signed in, you load music the same way you do local files. Search, drag playlists into crates, or load tracks to decks. After loading, analyze each track so Serato reads BPM, beat grid, and key. This ensures sync and phrasing work correctly. If a beat grid is off, nudge it manually and set reliable cue points. Doing this early prevents problems during a live set. Also use a rehearsal deck to audition transitions and adjust gain staging so levels match your mix. Finally, perform short test mixes to confirm transitions, sync behavior, and affect timing when using Tidal streams. Record a quick set to verify latency and that audio is being captured cleanly. Serato's recording tool will show you peaks and levels. If you encounter dropouts or missing artwork, first check your network stability and reduce streaming quality if needed, then enable offline caching for critical playlists. If playback stalls, restart Serato and reauthorize Tidal. That usually resolves token or permission hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.